A deliberate choice for the better life. Introducing Vray, high-intensity portable UVC sterilizer. Vray is a multifunctional sterilizer which has a optimized and practical design. It is possible to sterilize more faster and stronger with Vray. 99.9% of bacteria can be sterilized within just 5 seconds. The safety sensor, which has an auto power off function depending on the tilting angle, is embedded. It prevents from an accidental exposure to UV, which can be caused by careless usage. Through a special coated safe lamp, a potential hazard caused by shards of glass can be avoided as there are no glass fragments to worry about. Using a non-heating sterilization method, UVC, it sterilizes effectively and safely. UVC of Vray is a certified sterilization method that destroys the DNA of bacteria. UVC sterilization is free of developing resistance, residue, and transformation. Weighing just 505 grams, you can easily sterilize strollers, car seats, and big-sized toys by grabbing it in your hand. It has a bridge-shaped design, so you can use it in a fixed position. You can sterilize anywhere, including indoors, outdoors, and inside the car. A deliberate choice for the better life. Vray.